beautiful people. Look at you out there, having a great day, I'm sure. What's going on? How's things? Yeah, everybody good? Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica. Hey, what's up? I got some mail today. I'm super excited to share it with you and to shake the table that you're on, pardon me. It's an activewear brand that I've never tried, but I see them everywhere. They're super viral. And they're all over Instagram, they're all over everything. So they came out with, it's SquatWolf, surprise, hey, SquatWolf. They came out with the Wonder Woman line, and that was the first line of theirs, like the first release that I was like, wow, must try. So it arrived today and I'm super excited. Let's look at it. Don't even remember what's in here. Oh. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Scan me. What happens if you scan it? Okay, we gotta try that after. Oh, silica gel. Don't eat that. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, it's beautiful. Can you see the texture? Look at that. Little Wonder Woman logo. This is a sports bra. It's got like some double straps, super fun. It has some little cups. I always take the little cups out because I just find them really uncomfortable. I don't know. And I got this in a medium. I got everything in a medium. Mediums usually fit me. I don't know. Ooh, so delicious. I love these little bags. Cute. I don't know what the scanning is. I really probably should. More silica gel. Oh, so cute. Ooh, these look small. Oh, they're just really stretchy. Okay. It's really nice. Nice seams. Oh, I love when companies have, like, obviously they've got to have their tags, but when they have the little clips, safety pins, a little safety pin on there, I am here for that. And you know what? I'm gonna save it because I feel like I always am looking for something like this, like a safety pin, but not a full safety pin. I don't know, you know what? I don't have to explain myself to me. I'm keeping them. Keeping them. Wee. Okay. You guys, have you heard that TikTok sound? It's honestly what I hear. Wee. Wee. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, so shorts. It is coming spring here. Oh, they have like the nice, looks like it's gonna be a nice flattering seam on the back. Nice legs. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna try these on in like a new place in the house for you guys today, so you'll have to let me know what you think. I'm just gonna take everything out and start a garbage bag. Okay. Ooh. Is the tank top. Do not eat. I told you. They've got the little Wonder Woman symbol. So I got this one in a small. It looks on the website. It looked like it's supposed to hang, and it's got kind of that back twisty bit. So I thought, as much as I like everything else to be kind of bigger, I think with tanks like this, I want them to be a little bit fitted at the bottom. So that's why I went with the small one. They've got the little, the logo on this is, it's not embossed, it's not a sticker. It is like raised. It's almost like a little bit of foam. Wow. I wonder how well that, oh, this one is too. I wonder how well that holds up to washing. Okay, cute. Oh, let's take off the tag. I am that guy who always rips activewear or any kind of wear if it doesn't have a nice little thing like this. I like look for scissors and then I try to cut them off and then I don't and then I get distracted and then I just end up ripping stuff. So I super appreciate little scissors. Siri, stop that. Huh. What did I say? My Siri is out of control. She's always listening. That was super weird. I would like you guys to know that's a notorious problem here. My Siri, I don't want to even say her name, just turns on or off at like weird times. And the other day I was like, hey, play Lizzo. And she was like, Erica, it's 11:30 at night. Or it's 11:30 p.m. or something. I'm sorry, do you have working hours? Am I bothering you? Do you have another job to get to? She's cheeky. Okay, these are not, these track pants, they are not part of the Wonder Woman collection, but they were on sale, so I got them. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. Got like a mesh. I got these in a medium, of course. Ooh. Okay, the pocket, the great zipper detail. I love a zippy pocket. So here for it, and then you don't lose anything. There's like an outside pocket made of mesh. This little zipper pull was like in one of these holes, so I'm gonna have to really be careful that I don't zipper pull out the holes. Oh, it's a really nice material, it feels really great. It's got a little SquatWolf logo. Was this part of the, I don't know if this was part of the Wonder Woman collection. I don't know, I think it was just on sale. I'm sure that I'll find out in editing and then write it on the screen and make fun of myself. Oh yeah, these look great. Cozy, cannot wait to try them on. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, they had a big sale recently and I was like, you know what, now's the time. Now is the time to try SquatWolf. Oh, this is Wonder Woman. This is just the little tag. It's, fun logo down the side. This is like great quality, the little thumb holes. Yeah, great quality stuff. Little threads in this seam, that's all right, nothing like it's attached. Really, and these, again, these logos are like, stick right out. Great, let's take off this tag. Da, 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 da. I'm like nervous now that my Apple bot, I don't want to name her, is listening. I mean, I know she's always listening, but I'm worried that she's gonna just jump into action uncalled for. All right, last but not least, again, this looks to be, this is one of their newer lines. This is not, is it? Oh, it is. What do I know? I don't know what's part of what. Wonder Woman, get into it. Yeah, love a bodysuit. Love a bodysuit moment. It has the nice detail on the side. Da, da, da. Yeah, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh, is this a sticker in it? Am I just regretting? Do I need a SquatWolf sticker, guys? Do you need a SquatWolf sticker? What? I'm not really into it. I like this line particularly because they don't, it doesn't have the, yeah, it has their logo, but if you don't know what the logo is, it's not like SquatWolf, although I realize I am currently wearing a Jurassic Park t-shirt, but I think that's different. I don't need my activewear to scream at me. It's not necessary. Okay. I'm gonna try these on for you, and I think I'm gonna try them on in a little different locale today. Yeah, you into it? Are you ready? Okay, let's get trying them on. I'm gonna put you in a new location. We're gonna film a try on and go. All right, friends. I was gonna film in a different place, but it turns out the light is best in the kitchen. So here we are. I am here for this. See, this is also why they're like, where is this padding going? What is it doing? Why is it, I don't like it. Get out of my bra. I don't like it. They go into weird places. I'm not into it. Yeah. But I'm super into this like waistband. I feel like, yeah, comfy, really comfy. I like the straps. Everything feels like it's staying in place. Nothing feels like it's going anywhere. Not that I have enough to go places, but you know, just in case. This is my dance. All right, should we try the shirt? Oh no. Let's try it again. Yeah, all right. Oh, I'm so glad I went with a small in this. So glad. Ready? Yeah. Go back. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, fun. Okay. Let's go with trackies. Trackies. Oh yeah. All right, I just put these on right over top of those. So, yeah. Oh, they're comfy. Yeah. Pockets are, oh yeah. Okay, pockets are really deep. Really like that in a pocket. Everything's like super stretchy, super great. I'm here for it. Big fan. Yeah. Hi friends. I just wanted to update you. So I'm editing now, and I've been wearing these pants. I'm still obsessed with that part of them. They're so cozy. The pockets, super fetch, and I love everything. The only thing, okay, so this waistband, can you see this like inside, because it's made with the same mesh that goes all the way down the pockets. This mesh just kind of does like it. The waistband flips over a bit, and this mesh like gets a little wonky, and the mesh goes all the way around. So I think I would prefer if this material was all the way around, because this mesh business, like, I don't know what it's up to. But other than that, absolutely love them. It would encourage me to buy more SquatWolf products, but I don't think I would buy another pair of these. I don't like that waistband enough that I would not buy another pair. But the like material, so nice. It's so good. They're super comfy. They're like stretchity stretch. Everything except for this weird waistband. What next, guys? Ooh, crop top. All right. Yeah, cool. Into it. I like it. The material's like, I don't know, a little bit stiff to get into, but once it's on, yeah. It's got a lot of movement. These hand holes are, like, there's quite a lot of material still beyond the hand. Like, once you put your hands in holes, you know, sometimes it's like hand hole and then it cuts off there. This is like almost a glove, like a mitten, which I am cool with. Yeah. Oh yeah, one more, bodysuit. Bodysuit. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so I just paired it with the shorts that I got, these biker shorts. I am like here for it. I love a bodysuit moment. Is it gonna show through? Probably. Oh, these shorts not squat proof. Hard to say. I don't know. Yeah, I love it. It's comfy. I kept this. I kept the bra that we just reviewed on underneath, as you can kind of see the outline. So considering that you can see the outline of the bra, I'm gonna say that it's probably best to wear a bra underneath it. It doesn't have any like support in it. So definitely you would need a bra underneath. So if you're looking for like one bodysuit fits all, this is probably not it. But it's super cute, it's super cozy. It doesn't have the handles, which I'm cool with. I like it. I like it. Jazz hands. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I have two chairs here now. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. What a fun time. I really loved it. I am super impressed with the quality of all these items. I'm really excited to wear them and see how they hold up, and perhaps maybe I'll have an update for you. Maybe I won't. Who knows what will happen in the world of me wearing things. So many things could happen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Comment down below if you like any of these. If you, oh, this isn't sponsored, by the way, so it's just all of my honest opinions. Everything's really comfy. Yeah, nothing bad to say so far. Not sponsored at all. And I look forward to seeing you next video. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, write me a little note in the bottom. Let me know how your day is going. And I will see you next